Before we go further, let me say something important for a moment. If you're a filmmaker who watched the previous episode on control and this one on structure, and you're still guessing where the camera should go, you're not alone. Many filmmakers end up reshooting scenes again and again because something feels wrong in the frame, but they can't explain what it is. That's exactly why we created the Shot Composition Bible. This is not a PDF of filmmaking tips you already know, repackaged with a new cover. This is a complete system. It contains 11 parts, 30 chapters, and over 400 real film frames and diagrams. Every single one broken down to show you not just what great composition looks like, but exactly why it works, and how you can control your audience's attention, emotion, and understanding through the way you design your shots. So if you've ever watched your work get skipped or ignored while other filmmakers get the recognition, the clients, and the respect, or if you've ever reshot a scene over and over again because something was wrong, but you couldn't explain what it was, then this was built for you. Click the link in the description to learn more and reserve your copy of the Shot Composition Bible before the pre-order closes. Now, let's continue. Imbalance alone isn't the only way to create tension. Sometimes, filmmakers push even further. They introduce chaos. But chaos doesn't mean randomness. Great directors don't throw disorder into a frame carelessly.